Hello everyone, I am Sajid. Welcome to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step installation process for the super live wallpapers in the POCO X2 device after updating to the MIUI 12. So with the MIUI 12 version, we do get a few wallpapers, but in the POCO X2, you don't get any kind of live wallpapers. So the live wallpapers only dedicated to the AMOLED panel of Redmi and MI phones only, so not for the POCO X2. So right now I'm using the Redmi K20 Pro, you can see here. So I'm using the Super Earth live wallpaper, which looks pretty good when you unlock the device and when you lock the device and use the always on display functionality. So as you can see here, so same way in the POCO X2 also you do get that kind of effect, but since there is no always on display functionality here, so you don't get that always on display, but you do get this kind of zooming and zoom out effect whenever you unlock the device. So as you can see, so which looks fantastic, and in this video I'll be guiding you the step-by-step process. And if you want to download and install this live wallpaper APK, you need to join in my Telegram group. So in the Telegram group I'll post a complete APK for this live wallpaper, which is kind of very much huge in size. I think close to 700 MB is the size of the zip file. So 800 MB and 700 MB, as you can see clearly. So there are two different live wallpapers. One is the Super Earth wallpaper and Super Mars wallpaper. So these are the two different wallpapers we do get in the Redmi K20 Pro device. So I did download these wallpapers and I tried to side load in the POCO X2, and it worked pretty good perfectly. So right now you can see in the Redmi K20 Pro, after the MIUI 12 update, you got this kind of option where the super wallpapers home and red planet is a Mars one. So once you're in the home, you can select the different locations as well, which location and type of you want. There are 3 locations only, as you can see. So now it's done, it's applied. Same way in the POCO X2 also, right now you can do that. So once you go to the wallpaper and live wallpapers, as you can see here, at super wallpaper, so there are 3 different locations, but at the moment I have used only 2 APKs, so that's why you're getting 2 different options. And here is the Mars super wallpaper. So right now let me select the Mars wallpaper. So once you select the Mars wallpaper, so try to use the home screen. So right now you can see here, so when I unlock the device, you do get this kind of effect right now, even in the POCO X2 as well. So if you want to use this kind of live wallpaper, so try to join in my Telegram group. So from the Telegram group, you can directly download the zip file. So once you download the zip file, you need to unzip and install the 3 APKs necessary for the live wallpapers in the POCO X2 device. So this is very unfortunate that we don't get in the POCO X2, but that's okay. Right now you can at least install in this method and you can use this kind of wallpaper. But one thing is that there will be little bit of battery drain when you use this kind of live wallpapers in your device, which will use plenty of animations when you unlock the device, this kind of animations. So definitely there can be a little bit of drain in the battery, so you need to even note that thing before actually installing this APKs. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel SciTech, and also do check the links in description also for more videos like how you can actually install always on display in the POCO X2 and how you can install the LED notification light in the POCO X2. So I've done plenty of videos recently on the POCO X2 as well. So try to check the recently uploaded videos on the POCO X2 so you can get to know more details about this phone. So thank you for watching this video. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.